Reconditioned detector heads for Graviner Mark 6 oil mist detector. For testing, the heads are connected to the bases of the oil mist detector unit, and then we simulate the oil mist with some smoke detector testing gas sprayed through the tubes connected to the heads. Apart from hearing the alarm, we can also see the relevant indicator lights on both the head and the unit, as well as the message on the screen. The same process is repeated for the second detector head, for the third detector head, for the fourth detector head, and lastly for the fifth detector head. It is now clear that all 5 detector heads are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.